Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about the Loaded Lions land sale. I want to talk about cryptocom and the price of Crocoin. Where are we headed? Where do I think we're going to go? Are we going up or down? I want to talk about the FOMC meeting that is happening today and tomorrow, and where I think that's going to take the markets for the overall market of the traditional market, the S&P 500, and for Bitcoin, and what that means for crypto.com. So guys, let's hop into this video. So we are almost at 6,000 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we'll be giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, guys. So please subscribe now and like the video. Let's go. Okay, so there's been a crazy drama with this Loaded Lions land sale, guys. It's insane. But a lot of people are feeling not taken advantage of, but they're feeling pretty disappointed because lots of the Loaded Lions weren't able to get their land that they were allocated and that they should be able to, but they didn't get it. A lot of Loaded Lions weren't able to. So they came out today and they said, we are 100% committed to the first frontier and to our Netsians. We hear the feedback and value every main Netsian out there, so the crypto.com land private sale is extended. Look at that, guys. I love to see this because it's extremely important that companies and projects listen to their community. That's how you keep a healthy project going. If your, dare I say, your customers don't like your business anymore because of how they were treated and they felt wronged, that's a problem. That is a big problem. I'm not trying to come out here and FUD Loaded Lions or anything like that because, you know, personally, I'm going to be buying and looking to buy some Loaded Lions after this land sale ends. I think there's going to be some great buying opportunities. But they are extending this land sale because they hear the community. They said they extend the private sale and is only accessible to main Netsians who were not able to make a purchase in the first private sale. I really, really like that. That's really important, guys. It's really important. But let me know in the comment section below if you got any land. I'm very curious. And let me know if you didn't get any land. I'm also very curious about that. I'd love to see the ratio of how many people got it and didn't get it. But so let's talk about crypto.com and Crocoin. So we are still trading to the downside, but we are starting to flatten out here. I think what we're going to be seeing here is a lot of sideways action until Jerome Powell comes out and either gives us the good old 1-2 punch or you know, or says, "Hey guys, we're not going to be doing that. We're going to be lightening up," and he picks us up. We'll see what happens here, but you know, a lot of people, the word on the street is based on the verbiage that was used previously by the Federal Reserve, believe that we're going to get a 0.5 basis rate point hike. The FOMC preview what to expect. There's a strong consensus that the Fed will raise rates by 50 basis points, setting the target range to 4.25 to 4.5%. And this is the UBS Chief Investment Office's expectation as well. Assuming that the Fed does hike by 50 basis points, market reaction will depend mostly on what the Fed says about the future path of interest rates. I agree with this and I disagree with this. I think that if we get 0.5 basis rate point hike, I don't think that that's priced in. I think that if we get the confirmation, we're in a super data-driven market. I think if we get the confirmation, we're going to rally. I think we're going to break above this level here at about 4,055 on the S&P 500. And if we break above that and we can get a bounce, retest, and resumption, oh my gosh, it's going to be great. Great for risk-on assets. It's going to be so great. A well-needed bear market rally, maybe even a bottom for risk-on assets. We'll see. We'll see. But if we can break above this trend line on the S&P 500, we're going to see crypto.com rally. We're going to see Bitcoin rally. It's going to be great. It's going to be great. I do expect if we break above that and get a retest back down on this area here, but we don't break back below into this trend line, I could easily see Bitcoin closing above this trend line as well, or back into this formation, I should say, about the 18,000 mark if we can get a daily candle close above that. So we'll see what happens in the next day or two and see what the verbiage is like, because, you know, they say it will depend on what Jerome says what the future will be like, but I disagree with that. I think that we're going to see a reaction based on the news of how many basis rate point hikes were going up. Excuse me. And but the verbiage is important. I will say the verbiage is important following that. But he could say, yeah, we're starting to, if he starts talking more dovish, guys, it might be go time, which would be really exciting to finally have some movement in the market, not to the downside. It would be very nice to hear him be dovish and see us break above this 18,000 mark. We're above 18,000 right now, but I would like a close at about like 18.5 or something like that, 18,500. If we could get a candle close in this region up here, it would be fantastic for crypto.com and risk-on assets. I would be very excited to see that. So we'll have to stay tuned, guys, with that. We'll really have to stay tuned and see what happens. I mean, if we can close above this line here, the next target will be to break above the 21,000. I think that if we break above and have a daily close above this 18,500 mark on Bitcoin, then my next target will be about the 21,000 mark, which would be fantastic. If we can start getting a rally, that'd be a step towards the right direction of a rally 365 days leading up to the Bitcoin halving. That's what I've been saying. If we can start, we go into the right direction, guys. And if that's the case, well, we're going to start rallying towards the halving. Then my next target would really be around 30,000. And $30,000 Bitcoin is not that far. Guys, right now is a great time to be accumulating crypto. Bitcoin, crypto.com, your favorite altcoins within reason. Don't be buying in the small cap gems as the buzzword. Don't be buying the small cap gem altcoins right now until we get a confirmation that we're really going to be headed up here. You know, Jerome could come out and say, yeah, we're going to do a 0.5 basis rate point hike and see how the markets react. And if it's poor, then we might have to, or if the market's healthy, they might say, well, then, you know, I think that the market can handle another 0.75, which would be really bad. I really hope that does not happen. It would be really bad. The market is already under a severe amount of strain, and so is the economy. I think that'd be extremely bearish for crypto. So let's hope that doesn't happen, but I've definitely seen the pattern where Jerome likes to get the market excited and then use that as data to say, well, guys, you know, the market seems healthy. We just S&P 500 just rallied 10%. We can definitely incorporate another rate hike, and then just hawkish talk, and then it comes right back down in a moment's notice. So I am aware of that. And I really hope that does not happen. We want to see a 0.5 basis rate point hike, some dovish talk, a close on Bitcoin above 18,500. Our next target will be the 21K mark. Crypto.com will break back up if that's the case. My next target would be probably about the 8 cents range if Bitcoin can get to about 21K and close above and back in that formation. My Crypto.com price is about 8 cents I'm looking at for that. And if it continues and we get daily closes and we get a bullish continuation, we could talk even higher than that, but stay tuned for those updates. Guys, if you stuck around so far and you want to see a 0.5 basis rate point hike and some bullish action for crypto, smash the like button, guys, and subscribe, because I'm right there with you guys. But if you stuck around this far, thank you for watching. That's all I got for you. Bye.